Hey everyone, welcome back to How to 360. Today we're cooling things down with a sweet and creamy caramel frappuccino. Before we get started, drop a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. We love seeing how far our videos travel around the world. And don't worry, the full recipe and ingredient list are in the description below. Here's everything you'll need to make this coffeehouse-style treat right at home. You'll want 2 cups of ice, 1 cup of strong brewed coffee that's been cooled, 1 cup of milk. You can use whole, almond, or oat, whatever you like. Next, 3 tablespoons of caramel syrup, 2 tablespoons of sugar, or just sweeten it to your taste, some whipped cream for topping, and, of course, a little extra caramel drizzle. Alright, now add your ice, coffee, milk, caramel syrup, and sugar into a blender. Blend on high until everything's smooth and frothy. That should take about 30 to 40 seconds. If you like your frappuccino thicker, just toss in a bit more ice. If you want it creamier, go ahead and add more milk. Alright, now it's time to pour your blended frappuccino into those tall glasses. Oh, and don't forget to top it off with a generous swirl of whipped cream and a drizzle of caramel syrup. This gives it that irresistible coffeehouse look. And just like that, you've made a perfect caramel frappuccino. No lines, no waiting. And that's it! You've got yourself a smooth, sweet, and refreshing caramel frappuccino that you can whip up right at home in just 10 minutes. The full recipe is in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another delicious recipe from How to 360.